Yeah.
Keys are in the truck. Let's hop in. And you can drive us out of here. I just want you to pull it about 10, 15 feet.
Keys.
They're in it.
No, you got it.
Them keys in there.
These are yours.
Okay. Shut the door. Shut your door.
Press the red button when you're done.
Put your front brake. Put your front brake. Go forward, bud. It's easier.
Neutral.
There you go. Let's get out of here. Go ahead. Okie dokie. Go around. Go. You're fine. You're doing her. We are leaving the storage sheds. Swing her way down there.
This thing is so fun to drive.
Just pull her up over there. What's your red button? This bottom one? Stop.